Okay, over in Warrington, a small carpet to do. Thought we'd do a little quick video. Show. Okay. See, it's quite worn in these sort of areas here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pre-spray it, run the CRB over it, and then rinse it. And we'll see how we make a video. Okay, finished with that now. So you can see the pile now, it's all dragged back up. Looks a lot better. Okay, it's all finished, this one now. Come up lovely, really nice. Let's see what came out the tank. Have a little look. This is well worth doing. Well worth. Okay, if you'd like us in, give us a shout, send us a picture over what you need, and we'll get back to you ASAP. Have a good day.